guys, it's Jake and Sydney back at you again with another video. Today we are going to be talking to you about how to pack your bags for your trip to Southeast Asia. A couple things that go for men and women. You're going to want to bring a couple tank tops and a couple shirts, obviously. Stick with short sleeves, stick with tank tops. Depending on how long your trip is, I would say bring 3 to 4 shirts and maybe 2 or 3 tank tops. I would say just bring one jacket or sweater just for plane rides, or if you're somewhere with air conditioning and it's gonna get a little bit chilly, just so you can have it.
Our next tip is going to be what to wear. As far as shorts or pants, we highly recommend that you wear shorts, whether it's board shorts or, I mean, if you're going to Southeast Asia, you can probably wear swim trunks wherever you go. You can also bring a pair or 2 of sweats, just so when you're in, you can be comfy while you're inside, just laying down, relaxing. Another thing is with the shorts, you're going to have to bring at least 1 pair of pants. Unless you have your own sarong, you can rent a sarong, but if you're going to temples or any sacred area in Southeast Asia, they are going to require that you go in with your knees covered and your shoulders covered. So just keep that in mind.
For girls, I suggest bringing a couple pairs of shorts and then maybe like 1 pair of jeans. When we're in Southeast Asia, I live for dresses. I wear dresses all the time. They're super easy, super comfortable, easy to pack. You can literally wear them anywhere. So dresses are like my go-to whenever we're traveling. The next thing you're gonna need are swimsuits. I know Jake mentioned board shorts for guys, so that's perfect. Girls, you're gonna want maybe 2 or 3 swimsuits. You can wash them often. You're going in water, so you'll be fine. The next really important thing is sarongs. You can rent sarongs at pretty much every temple you're going to if you need to, but it's super easy to get your own, and it's nice because you have a little unique piece of your own little culture. Sarongs are usually just thin pieces of cloth with patterns on it, and they serve as like a cover-up when you're going into temples. They also are super useful and can be used as a light blanket, a beach towel, a bathing suit cover-up, anything you want. It's pretty useful and they're super cheap in Asia, so definitely get yourself one.
The last tip that we have is basically the sun out in Southeast Asia is extremely strong. So when you're out there, you're gonna wanna bring a couple hats and maybe a pair or 2 of sunglasses, just because when you're out temple hopping or you're out at the beach, you're really gonna be feeling the sun a lot. Just pack a couple hats, a couple pairs of sunglasses, and you'll be fine. Also, another very important thing to bring for your trip is breathable shoes. You can wear flip-flops, sandals, and also just regular street shoes. The only thing is, some temples require that you take off your shoes before you go in, so maybe bringing a pair of flip-flops or sandals will be a little bit easier for getting your shoes on and off and making your trip a little easier.
Southeast Asia as a whole is just a very spiritual place. So you're gonna wanna remain covered, and unless you're swimming or something, wear clothes. I know that sounds like it should just happen, but you'd be surprised how many people you see walking around just wearing just their bathing suit and stuff like that. It is super inappropriate in Southeast Asia, so stay covered up, stay respectful, and you'll be all good.
Those have been our tips for what to pack for your trip to Southeast Asia. If you guys want any more tip videos or how-to videos, just make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you guys have any recommendations for new videos, let us know, and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a thumbs up on the video, and we will see you tomorrow.
Thank you.